you all. Welcome to another session here with us at Mathematics Resource Center. And today we're doing part 3 to expanding brackets. Alright, so if you haven't watched part 1 as yet, go check that out. If you haven't watched part 2 as yet, go check that out. Because guess what? You have skills that were taught in those videos at that time that you need for these questions. Yes, so pause this video, go to part 1 and part 2, and then come back to part 3. And don't forget, there will be a part 4. Alright, so let's go with the first question. So we have 2 open bracket x plus 9 close bracket plus 4x. So we're going to expand, which means that we're going to remove the brackets. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to say 2 times x, which gives us 2x. Good. And then we're going to say 2 times 9, which gives us 18. Then we see a plus 4 there, plus 4x. So we just put our plus 4x as it is. Now we look at it, we see 2x plus 18 plus 4x. Okay, I'm spotting 2 like terms, and that is 2x and plus 4x. So I'm going to go ahead and group those 2 terms. So I have 2x plus 4x, and then what happens to plus 18? Do I throw it away? Oh no, you can't. You got to keep it. So even though it doesn't have anything to match with or anything to go with, it's still a part of our expression, so we must keep it. Now let's do the last step. 2x plus 4x, that's 6x. So let's go 6x plus 18. And that's it. Good. Alright, so let's go to number 2. At number 2, we have 3x plus 2, open bracket 2x minus 2. So this question is one of those tricky ones now. So what comes to your mind? You might be thinking that you're going to add 3x plus 2. No. And my biggest no is 1. This 2x, 2 here, it doesn't have an x. So you definitely can't add them. And if it had an x, my next note to that would be, we must do the multiplication aspect of our question first before we even do the addition part. So you realize that we have 2 times this bracket. So following our BIDMAS or BODMAS or BUMDAS principle, we will need to do multiplication or division before doing any addition, and we have recognized that there's a multiplication happening between the 2 and that bracket. Good. So we're expected to work this part here first before adding the 3x. Alright, and we look at it. What is multiplying the bracket? Is it 3x multiplying the bracket? Oh no, it says 3x plus 2 times 4x minus 2. So the multiplication is happening between the 2 and the bracket. So this 3x is just going to be here, holding on until we're ready for it. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and do our multiplication. So we go and we say 2 times 4x, and that is 8x. Yes, 8x. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to say 2 times negative 2, and that's negative 4. And now we're going to go ahead and simplify as much as we can simplify. So we look at it and we see 3x plus 8x minus 4. We realize that they are already grouped. So we just go ahead and say 3x plus 8x, that's 11x. And then we have minus 4. And that's our answer. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and do number 3. So doing number 3, same thing applies. We have 4xy minus 2x, open bracket, y plus 2 minus 4, open bracket, x minus 1, close bracket. So now you're looking at it and you're saying to yourself, okay, what am I multiplying the brackets by? This 4xy? Oh no, because guess what? The bracket is here and what's connected to the bracket is the 2x. So the multiplication is between the 2x and this bracket. So this is 4xy minus, do you hear that minus? That tells you that this 4xy has nothing to do with the bracket. So it's minus 2x times. Oh, we're multiplying the bracket by 2x. So this 4xy, we're not using it yet. So we're just going to write it down right there. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to say negative 2x times y. And that gives me negative 2xy. Then I'm going to say negative, the same negative 2x times 2. And if you have been following, you realize that we always multiply each term in the bracket by the term on the outside. And it is negative 2x times positive 2. So it is negative times positive, which gives us a negative. And then 2x times 2, that is 4x. Yes, so let's continue. The math is getting interesting. Don't you think so? I know you think so. Let's continue. So we have negative 4 times x, and that gives us negative 4x. And then we have negative 4 times negative 1, and that gives us positive 4. Good. And now what do? We're going to simplify. So we have 4xy, and we look if we have any more 4xy. Oh yes, there's another one there. They're already grouped. We have 4x. We're looking to see if we have any more x there. Oh, there's another one there. They're already grouped. So we have our 4 at the end. We have nothing to go with it, but it's still a part of our expression, so it's going to stay. Alright? So we say 4xy minus 2x. 4 minus 2, that gives us 2xy. Then we say negative 4x, negative 4x. So you look at those now, you hear negative 4x and negative 4x. Oh, the signs are the same. What do we do when the signs are the same? We add. So we're going to say 4 plus 4, and that gives me 8x. And what sign do I write down? I always write down the sign of the number that appears the largest. So these are 2 4s. So none appears the largest. So I'm just going to write down the sign of 1, and that is negative. Good? So my answer is, for that part, is negative 8x. And what about the 4? Do I throw it away? Oh no, it's a part of my expression. It goes back. And there goes my answer. 2xy minus 8x plus 4. Can we go any simpler? Can we add these two? No. Why not? This is xy. This is from the family of xy. And that's from the family of x. They're from different families, so they cannot be added. Well, that brings us to your turn. So go ahead and complete question 1 and question 2. I am going to add a link in the description below, and you can click on that link to view the answers to both of these questions. Alright, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video so that other persons can really benefit from all of what you just benefit from. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed night, or morning, or afternoon, whatever time it is for you. Bye-bye.